Hey everybody, I give you another little tour in the garage and show you the new addition to the family. This is acquired this yesterday in a deal. Really like it. OBS 1991 newer 5.7 motor. Cool little truck. Lowered, I don't know exactly lowering, probably 5 and 7, 4 and 6. Don't know. Little Patina baby. Pretty sweet little truck. Show everybody. I don't know. I got the keys here. Pretty nice truck. It needs some cleaning yet. I haven't messed with it. Kind of needs detailed out and see how it turns out. Give everybody a little look and listen. I did order last night new tail lights. Wheels, they okay. Cool little truck, drives really nice. Down the road, overdrive. I think I will eventually complete the AC, get the air conditioning in it. Everybody will look. Cool little truck though. Cow induction steel hood. Pretty cool patina. Back away here. Yeah, so anyway, I thought I wanted to do a little video, make everybody a look. And of course, you remember there's old red and old blue. Well, I'm just going to call this the condo group.